Hello, welcome back to my channel, The Busiest Bree, and today I just did a simple, my everyday kind of look. No foundation, no craziness, just the get up and go kind of look. So we're gonna do a twist, and we're gonna have Joe voice over, but we don't know if he's gonna do it, so we might have Javon help him out. But if you want to see how I do a simple everyday get ready with me, stay tuned and listen for some crazy.
Mom is putting shampoo in her hair, and then she rubs it on her face, and she's keep rubbing, and then she puts it on her nose and her cheek, and she is putting it on the side of her head, and now her cheek, and now she's putting the mirror in the camera, and now she's putting gel in her hair. She's putting it on the sides of her hair, and now she's putting on the left side of her hair, and now she's putting all the sides of the front part and putting it slow motion down. Now she's dancing and putting more. And now she wants to put it on the sides and the front, and putting it on her patches. That told you to say that. And now she's putting it in the back. And now she's rubbing herself, and now she's putting edge boo on, and now she's rubbing it on her hair with the brush, which it has a knifey thing on it. She's laying her edges, and now she's putting it on her right here, and on her flank, and on her she's putting it on her. Now she's using the knifey thing and putting it on the place where she put the gel a lot, and she really likes doing hair. And mostly she's doing it lots on her itches, and on her.
All right, that's it. Cut it.
Okay.
Don't cut it. We're almost done. Just keep going.
He botched it.
He didn't. He's doing a good job. What's the rest, Joe? What am I doing
now?
now?
She's keep putting it on her itches.
Edges.
And now on her mustache.
Oh my
God.
Don't say that. All right,
and
go.
on her edges. And on her side, and on her edges again. On the side.
Sideburns.
The sideburns.
You heard me.
The sideburns.
He's not listening to
Not birds, burn.
me. He's not listening to me when I say it to him.
He can't hear you.
He heard
Whispering.
me.
Okay. Now what's next?
Now she's rubbing the gel off her eyebrows with now she's using mascara. What? Eyeliner? I can't be.
Come on.
Eyeliner?
Am I filling in my eyebrows?
Am I filling in your eyebrows?
Yes.
And
it can hear you say it. You're so.
And she's putting it on her other eyebrow. And she is also putting it in the very back right here of her eyebrow. Ooh, she's checking herself out. And mostly making them thick. And now she's using mascara. Mascara. You know I can hear you.
Then say it.
She's opening the mascara. Now she's putting it on.
It's not a smoky eye, so it's good he's not saying that.
Because she's putting the mascara still on her eyelash.
Joe, your voice is really loud.
Now she's still putting it on. And now it is in.
I'm cutting all this.
Now she's still putting it on the bottom of her, on the bottom eyelashes on the right, and she did the lip.
I have to take all that out now.
And now she's putting lipstick on. She's putting lipstick on her lips.
Then say it.
And now she's putting her hair down there, and now she's laughing.
What else I can't say?
And
Now she's checking herself out.
now she's checking herself out.
And now she's done.
And she's done. The end.
Okay, if you made it to the end, thank you so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, notifications so you can see the new videos coming up next. We are home quarantined, so expect a lot of videos because we have so much material that I just haven't been able to edit. So I'm gonna just sit down and edit everything. So just stay tuned. And then also we'll have another video that's gonna send you to the kids channel, which is Kiona's Kids, and you can see all the cool stuff that they do. So once again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.